That has a welded in it? Or it's either that or a locker. Oh my god. How to remove blackberries on 101. So today we're out here getting Cody's car fixed. It's been out for too long. It ripped, the bottom core support ripped out, and it ripped the bolt out of the tension rod bracket. And so we're gonna fix all this shit and then weld that back together. And then, yeah, part it out. All right, so we got everything drilled and set for that tension rod bracket, and then we're gonna go to the hardware store, grab a bolt and throw it through just long enough, and then after that we're probably gonna throw some welds on the core support and shit, hopefully drive it maybe, we'll see what goes. And anyway, ooh, that one's pretty crusty too. Ripping the non-broken 240.
Dude, that's where we're gonna get killed, I think, cause
Alright, so now we're gonna bolt this tension rod bracket back on, and then after that, get to these core support welds, and then hopefully rip it maybe.
Alright, you're gonna have to get it up in that upper hole.
Alright.
So you better figure it out.
Keys.
Alright
guys, so we got that thing all sucked up and haggard as fuck, but it ain't pulling through. Got it bolted through the frame rail, you know. And then 14. Next is 14. Next is that. Alright guys, so it's all, I got the starter bolted in and everything. About to throw some beads on all these cracks on that side, bottom core support, and I'm about to bend that straight and then weld that back together. Hopefully we can drive it tonight. That'd be pretty dope. And this car hasn't moved in over 4 months, and it fucking needs to move, so let's hope. Alright, so that one's welded down there. Getting that little piece right there welded, and then we're pinching this back together and welding it back together, and it should be solid after that, and then put the battery in it. Alright guys, so we got everything but the starter bolts tightened, so we're tightening them up right now. I got the core support welded. It ain't pretty, but it's welded. And we're gonna try and fire it up and move it. Might drive it, who knows, we'll see. Alright, so now we're just putting the battery in. Got everything tightened and all sitting proper. Nothing's all messed up anymore. We're just gonna fill the radiator up and see if she fires. Yeah, see, Carson.
I'll leave the cap off.
Yeah. Alright. Try it. Oh yeah. No fuel's been through that thing in a minute.
Right. My taillight's working?
Yeah. Try your blinkers. Yep. Doesn't that nothing? Try your hazards. Now they work. Nope. Like butter, like nothing. Fired right up. Everything still works fine. Alright, what's up guys? So, that's probably it for today's video. Gonna wrap it up. Gonna come over here probably tomorrow and we're gonna weld his exhaust on and probably drive it. So, some good shit, but if you like this one, like, share, subscribe, whatever. See us in the next one. Peace.